In yesterday's Dodgers Nationals game, we heard Tom Verducci and Harold Reynolds talking about the term shape. And what shape refers to is what a pitch looks like. It's an EV term, and it comes from the hitting side of EV, which is called time training. And it's all about what a pitch looks like, the movement, and it's basically what the pitch looks like out of the hand, the direction it's going, plus the movement, and that's what forms its shape. In the case of Rich Hill, he was throwing a loopy curveball that's going to have a shape that looks a little bit like that hump. And then with a slider, it might have a little bit less of a hump. With a changeup, it may have a hump that's similar but end up moving in a different direction. And so the shape is actually what the pitch looks like out of the hand. And then when you add in the movement, that tells you what the actual shape of the pitch is. This is about a 20-foot mark. So pitches that are thrown like the Rich Hill curveball is going to be recognized immediately out of the hand. But if that same curveball is thrown in the dirt, for example, it's going to split apart just past that 20-foot mark. And so it wouldn't take its shape until after it gets past that 20-foot mark, as opposed to the curveball that he's throwing in the beginning that's in the strike zone. It's gonna pop immediately within about 1 to 5 feet out of the hand. If it's a changeup or a slider, it might stay in that line until maybe like the 30-foot line, or even in some cases, it's going to go all the way to this line, which is the point of no return. At about 40 feet, hitters have to start their swing because it takes about 0.13 seconds to 1.5 seconds to actually swing the bat. So by the time the ball gets to anywhere in this phase and beyond that, there's virtually no chance for hitters to react to what it is that they're seeing. So that's what the shape is. The shape of a pitch is the initial flight plus the movement tells you what the shape is.